Bulasia, I'm Meli Tungota. I'm a Fijian filmmaker born and living in Fiji.
Bula and hello, my name is Herstal Manueli. I was born and raised right here in the beautiful islands of Fiji.
Bula, I'm Michael Light, and I'm a videographer, animator / tech support, born and raised in Suva, Fiji.
Nisam Bolasaka, my name is Philemon in the K. I am a music producer by trade with experience in audio technology as a recording engineer and sound designer.
I've been a graphic designer and animator for about 20 years now, until I recently discovered the joys of filmmaking. I made my first animated short film in 2019, and since then have made a second animated short film, 2 live-action short films, and a feature-length documentary. And that has led me to my newest short film endeavor with FilmRaro.
My journey began as a talent for TV commercials when I was 19 years old. 22 years later, I'm now a cinematographer, photographer, editor, and animator. I have filmed many documentaries, TV commercials, music shows, music videos all around the Pacific.
After working in IT for about a decade, I shifted towards making video content. I'm currently working at USP.
I have been part of a few audio theatre and short film projects doing sound editing and score.
What's Detour about? It's 1 minute into the future, and our hero Vaiana lives in a small village in the island nation of Rarotonga. She makes a living secretly hacking autonomous flying cargo for the highest bidder.
Her island belongs to a billionaire who sets high rent rates, which her village struggles to keep up with. They depend on their tourist performances to help hold on to their home.
As a hacker, Vaiana prefers to keep a low profile with her work and targets low security jobs that pay just enough to keep her family and her village afloat.
But when the billionaire landlord raises the rent yet again, the village's financial position is strained. Vaiana makes the decision to take on a higher paying but more dangerous work to help, but her actions will have dire consequences for her village and her family.
For this trip, I'm really looking forward to meeting and connecting with other Pacific Island filmmakers from around the region to better ourselves and better tell our own stories.
For this trip, I mostly look forward to the experience and knowledge that will be shared amongst people from all different parts of the world. So not forgetting meeting the people of Cook Islands and also the amazing and wonderful food that Cook Islands has to offer.
I'm looking forward to seeing how the other teams work together and their processes, as well as experiencing the Cook Islands culture.
I look forward to the fellowship, new friendships, and to see how the team will tackle each challenge that will present itself during the whole production process.